In front of me is INFINIX Note 60, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use Keyboard Clipboard. Okay, so first launch your keyboard and tap on the clipboard icon located at the top of it. Now, to activate it, tap on this icon, this button actually, at the top right corner, and go back by tapping on an arrow at the top left one. Following that, let's use Clipboard. All you need to do is copy or cut any text, and to paste it instantly, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on though, click on Clipboard and select your text from here by tapping on it or holding it and choosing Paste from the pop-up. Now, if you want to paste it after an hour, you need to pin it or it will disappear. To do that, hold it and use pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. If you want to make any changes to any of your clips, hold the chosen one and tap on Edit. Then make your changes and hit Save. If you want to delete any clip, hold it and tap on Delete. You can also delete anything from Clipboard by swiping it to the right or to the left. If you want to delete or pin multiple things, you can always tap on this pen at the top right corner, select them, and use one of those two buttons, delete one and pin one. Last but not least, to disable Clipboard fully, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!